You open your eyes. You are in a dark workshop. Metal wires are brought together, becoming your bones. The fabric is stretched tight, the handle polished, the hinges are attacked. You open and close for the first time, and in that moment, you realize you are now an umbrella. You emerge from your bags. A hand grabs you, lifts you to the sky. The clouds are pitch black, the sky rumbles, and you open. The first raindrops hit your fabric. You shiver. But then you realize you are not getting wet, you are protecting them. You are in a child's hand. They hug you tightly, laughing. You're surprised. My job is to protect. So why are they having fun? But you smile to yourself. So I'm not just protecting them, I'm bringing them joy too. One day, you are in the hands of couple. They are not running from the rain. On the contrary, they are walking side by side under you. You sway a little to the right, a little to the left, but they don't notice. They laugh. They look into each other's eyes, and you feel I'm not just an umbrella. I'm part of their memory. But it is not always easy. One day the wind blows so hard, you flip over, your rise bend, your fabric stretches. In that moment you fear, will they throw me away? Will my journey end here? But then that hand doesn't let go. It fixes you and opens you again. And you proudly say, I don't give up easily. Sometimes you open and close in crowded cities. Sometimes you get squeezed into bags. Sometimes you are easy to hide from the sun. Each time you have a different task. But the feeling is always the same. When it rains, when the sun burns, I'm there for them. Years go by, your wires rust, your fabric fades. Sometimes when you open, you can't hold as strong as before. You are left in a corner, and you say sadly, I was there for you in all those raindrops, all those storms. Am I forgotten now? But then you remember a child's slaughter, a couple's first date, a father protecting his child from the rain. It all happened under you, and you say to yourself, I'm not just an ordinary object, I'm a little miracle. And now you ask yourself, if you were an umbrella, could you still protect them when the first raindrops fell? I even thought you were scared, or would you risk opening up, knowing you might break in the storm?
Thanks for watching.